Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the clip in the timeline and switching to the viewer controls so you can see tracking overlays. Next, open the tracking dropdown and pick Object Tracker. This tool locks onto shapes and motion. Draw a tight tracking box around the subject. Make sure to include a little motion buffer so edges don't clip. Once placed, preview a few frames to confirm the box follows the subject before you run the full track. Once the box is set, run the analysis using forward or backward analyze to cover the full clip range. This computes motion data. If the tracker drifts, change sensitivity or feature size to prioritize larger shapes and enable occlusion handling for brief blockages. Make manual corrections by adding anchor points or keyframes at problem frames. You can nudge the box to snap back on target. Keep checking that you finish by applying the tracking data to the layer you need, a title, an effect, or a transform parameter, and then preview playback to confirm alignment. If motion looks shaky, use smooth or reduce jitter controls to stabilize the applied movement. If the tracker fails mid-clip, split the clip at that point and track segments separately, or increase the feature area and reanalyze. This often fixes occlusion and rapid motion issues without redoing the entire track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.